In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on Shopify store. We'll walk through the exact path in your Shopify admin and explain what each option means so you can switch countries confidently and keep your business details accurate. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin. Changing the store's country affects legal information and may influence taxes, shipping rates, and available payment methods. So it's worth taking a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct country for your business. Start on your Shopify admin dashboard and head down to Settings. This is your control center for everything behind the scenes. In Settings, look for Store Address. This area holds your store's official contact details and the country tied to your business. It's more than just a mailing label. It's part of the information Shopify uses for compliance and localization. Next, open Business Details. This section is where Shopify keeps the legal entity information for your organization. If you operate in multiple regions, this is where each entity's country and related details live, so it's the right place to make a country change. Now click the Current Country flag. That opens the country selector. Rather than scrolling through a long list, simply start typing the country name you want. The list will filter as you type, making it quick to find and select the correct country. After selecting the country, choose Create Entity. This tells Shopify you want to establish or update the legal entity profile for that country. It helps Shopify apply the right rules and prompts for the information that's required in that location. You'll then see Select Business Type. Pick the option that matches how you operate. For demonstration, choose Individual or Sole Proprietorship. If your business is structured differently, like a company or partnership, select the appropriate choice for your situation. Finally, enter the information requested. Provide accurate legal details for that country, such as your full legal name, registered address, and any identification or tax information the form asks for. Type everything exactly as it appears on your official documents to avoid verification delays. Take your time here. Consistency is key for compliance. That's it. By moving through Settings, Store Address, Business Details, selecting the country flag, typing your new country, creating the entity, choosing your business type, and entering the required information, you've updated the country for your Shopify store. After this change, it's a good idea to review your taxes, shipping settings, and payment availability to ensure everything aligns with your new country selection. Thanks for watching and happy selling.